Yo, what y'all doing?
And now they trying to suck your dick.
You see, I ain't even ask all that. Damn.
Okay, but I told you.
Damn. What's good, y'all? It's your boy One Prototype, and I'm back with another bang bang video.
That's why your girl wanna move in. Have another plan for you.
Today, guys, we will be doing monkey app video. Today, we're gonna be doing the "Would you date me?" Feel me? Can I take you on the first date type shit? You know what I'm saying? We about to find out. They tryna let me take them on the first date. There ain't nothing wrong with that. All right, here we go. Here we go.
Black tea is
Yo.
She said fine.
Yo, thank you. But would you let me take you on a date though?
She said yeah.
Word. You gonna punch me in the face? Why? I just wanted a date. Oh, I was about to say, I just wanted a date. Feel me?
She said she might put it up.
I'm not even Puerto Rican though.
It's this girl over here. What are you?
I'm Dominican. Well, that's number one down right there. Shorty said she won't let me take her on a date. Feel me? Number one. That's it. We already got a date. Yo.
I like your nose piercing.
Oh, thank you. Yo, will you let me take you on a date?
Of course.
Word? Yo, come on now. Heard it.
You got a cute smile.
Thank you. Ah, what you talking about, man? What you talking about? Jody said she wanted me to take her on a date. Let's see what's popping.
You could have edited that out. Hello.
Yo,
Where you from?
I'm from New York.
He's from New York. How you know? She said she used to go out with you.
She won't go out with me. I didn't even ask her the question. She said she'll go out with me. Hope. I got it like that. Heard it. I got it like that. Heard it. She's 17. Let's see what's popping. Yo.
Hi.
What's good? I want to ask you a question though. Word? Yo, thank you. I was about to ask you would you let me go on a date with you?
Probably. Yeah.
Probably?
Have a good day. Yeah.
Hey,
Hey, do it again.
yo.
How old are you? You look like you're 20 or something.
Well, you was close. I'm 19.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah. I was about to ask you, would you let me take you on a date?
I'm 15.
Oh, come on. That's a whole cake. Why are you putting 19 years old on monkey, but you 15? You're trying to... Damn, And she said I look 20? Oh, hell no. I don't want to look old. There's a lot of 15-year-olds, man. I don't know about it. Alright, from now on, anybody that's from New York, no matter the age, I'm going to pick up. Alright, she's from New York. She's popping. Yo.
Love my damn bird.
I love your bird.
Oh, thank you.
Your bird is nice. I want it.
Hey, don't touch my bird, Alex.
That bird is nice. What the fuck? Yo.
What's up?
What's good? Damn, why you hiding over there?
What you doing?
I was about to ask you out on a date, but now I don't know. Oh, yo, you trying to go on a date? Yo, what's up, bro? Why she lacking on me, bro? Bro, come on, give me some 18-year-olds, bro. Stop giving me these. Oh, there she go. Hey. Yo, you trying to go on a date with me, bro? Oh! Yo, these girls wildin'. Yo, I can't hear y'all. What's going on? You want to follow me? I bet I'll follow you. But will you go on a date with me though? Like, nah? We know you can hear us, so just add us on Instagram or FaceTime us. I'll think about it. Yo, Shorty was giving me her number. Sit down for that. It's a dub for that. A dub for that. I'm not doing that. 19 from Nevada. Let's see what's poppin'. Word? You was ugly anyway. Yo. Yo, y'all both look fine as fuck, bro. Can I take both of y'all on a date? Can I take both of y'all on a date?
No.
Damn. First L. Damn.
And they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
First L of the day. Let's see what's poppin', brother. Yo, what y'all doing?
And now they trying to suck your dick.
You see, I didn't even ask all that. Damn.
Okay, but I told you.
Damn.
What?
What the fuck is wrong? Nigga wanted to suck my dick. Yo. What y'all doing? Heard. So which one of y'all's gonna let me take y'all on a date? Which one of y'all can I take on a date?
Me, I'm 5, so like.
You say where?
I'm not 5.
I'm about to say, come on now, you trying to make a nigga catch a case? Heard.
I'll go. They can stay home. I'll go.
Word? Meet me in New York tomorrow. Meet me in New York tomorrow at 8 p.m. Yo. What the fuck? Y'all niggas wildin'. Y'all niggas is wildin'. Y'all niggas is wildin', bro. Yeah, I'm dead. 1 through 10? Yo, you know what? I don't know about all that. You trying to make me catch a case? Hell no. Hell no. Shorty said, rate me 1 through 10, period. Nigga, the only thing I'm rating is 10 years in jail if I rate you, nigga. You wildin'. What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with these people? Yo. Y'all fuck with your hoops. You trying to go on a date with me? Sure, that ass? Yo, fly to New York. I'll pay for your flight. Yeah, word. Yeah, actually, this is a video for YouTube. You trying to be... Let me say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Y'all good over there? Y'all good?
No.
Yeah, let me hear a year if y'all from New York for real.
You're.
Heard, you see, y'all niggas from New York. That's how I know.
Not you.
Oh, I was about to say, damn.
Not you.
Damn.
Who the fuck is Mel Mel?
What are y'all doing?
You live in Harlem?
Yeah. What are y'all doing right now?
Say it.
No, y'all just bored right now? Yeah.
I'm saying. I think you have to Valentine work. What?
Yeah,
I'm talking to somebody.
Facts, bro. Come on, bro. I'm out here trying to ask her on a date, bro. Like, don't. Yo, come on now.
What the fuck is Are you working?
You guys have got to the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys do hit that post notification because I will be trying to post every single day, and I will try to make my monkey apps better. My screen recording just keeps acting up. For now, you guys just get a little bit of the audio and sometimes some of the video if my screen record stops acting up, but that's Apple for you. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.